So again, a very interesting question of JEE Advanced. What does question say? A monochromatic light is incident from air on a refracting surface of a prism of angle 75 and refractive index N naught is equal to √3. The other refracting surface, this surface of the prism is coated by a thin film of material of refractive index N. This is the coated material with refractive index N. The light suffers total internal reflection at the coated prism surface. So this undergoes total internal reflection at this surface for incident angle of theta less than or equal to 60 degree. Theta is less than or equal to 60 degree. The value of n square will be. So by Snell's law, we know refractive index of medium 2 with respect to medium 1 is equal to sin I upon sin R. This is the incident angle and this is the refracted angle. So this is I1. I1 is equal to theta R1, I2, R2. Also N12 can be written as N2 refractive index of medium 2 with respect to air upon refractive index of medium 1 with respect to air. So this is the Snell's law. Now we will use the Snell's law twice in this case. First for this surface and again for this surface. So let us consider for this surface sin I1 N naught will be equal to sin I1 upon sin R1. N naught, value of N naught is √3 is equal to sin 60 degree upon sin R1. This is equal to √3 by 2 sin R1. So from here sin R1 will be equal to 1 by 2. So R1 will be 30 degree. This is 30 degree. Okay. Now this is a quadrilateral. This is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. This is 75. So this will be equal to 180 minus 75, that is 105 degree. This angle. This is 105. This is 30. 135. So I2 will be equal to 45 degree. As the sum of this triangle will be 180 degree. 105, 30, 45. Okay. Now let us consider for this surface. So for this, light enters from this medium to this. So here this will be applicable. N2 will be N upon N1 will be n naught. Sin I will be 45, sin 45 degree, and sin R will be 90 degree. Total internal reflection (90°). This will be 1 by root 2. N is equal to n naught by root 2. Value of n naught is root 3. So this will become root 3 by 2. So n square will be equal to 3 by 2. This was the required value in this question. That was asked. So again, a very interesting and very simple question that can be easily solved in hardly 20 seconds. Thank you.